how to make rice flakes mixer. This mixer is very healthy and tasty. This is very easy to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. So don't forget to subscribe. Come with me to kitchen. For this we require rice flakes, dry fruits, sugar powder, peanut, elaichi and gram. First take a pan and put oil. Once the oil is heated, put the rice flakes. Take it out fast. Like this, roast all the rice flakes. Add peanut and roast it well. Like this. Now roast the grams. Now the grams are roasted. Now we will roast dry fruits. Like this. Now we will mix all the ingredients. Roasted peanut, roasted gram, roasted dry fruits, now mix well. Like this. Now make sugar powder. Add elaichi powder. Again mix well. like this. Now our mixer is ready. This is very easy to make and share photos with me. So like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. If you're seeing my videos first time, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.